Holy shit! God damn!
Oh my God! Why didn't you honk?
I knew he was gonna do it.
Well, it's still just.
You dumb! Turn into the right lane. It's not that hard.
Friday morning. UPS is trying to come up on me, trying to make me a squish sandwich. I was doing 70. It dropped.
Giant just barely holding on by its fingers onto the front of the one small house.
Get the f out of the way!
Probably be Thursday. Whoa, 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 whoa! Me!
His attempts at portraying anger unconvincing.
Okay.
I'd ignored his jibes in the past, but I was getting tired of it. I've been able to do ambassador.
Where's this motherfucker going? To what degree the IDF coordinated with Egypt and the Egyptian military prior to their move on the Rafah crossing.
That's why I use Sinex Children's Saline from Vicks. Sinex instantly clears mucus and everyday stuffy little noses with a gentle ultraviolet mist designed for kids. Sinex for kids. Breathe. For stuffy noses.
Online all the time at ToyotaLaramie.com. Get one free set of brake pads when you buy 2 brake rotors. Visit O'Reilly Auto Parts. Offer in-store only. See store for details.
That car ran away.
Idiot. God damn it.
Why would that be bad?
Really?
That way! I saw that happen. I'm like, why are they going slow?
Why is this a thing?
I don't know. That's crazy.
Investigators and provided them with the details of her day and Jack with the discovery of her husband's body. She told them that she'd met Jack for lunch.
York Regional Police were called to during a drone fire in the area over the weekend. It happened Sunday after a road caught fire as it was passing through Big Bay Point. In Innisfail, Barrie Police, Hamera, and Orthodonty Fire Departments also attended the scene. It's believed an electrical issue was the cause. 4 people were rescued from the lake by other boaters. No injuries were reported. In a new report released with partners, the UN Weather Agency says climate change means more weather disasters every year. Charles De La Desma reports.
In the wake of heat waves, global warming, forest fires, storms,
You
Oh my God! Huh?
Are you
Por isso, keluar kok.
Mana nih?
Ya so iya ya. Supaya sering kasar kan gitu.
Really?
Amor! Cuidado, amor! Amor, cuidado!
Habis filma.
¡No! ¡Ay! ¡Puta! ¡Amor! ¡Ya! ¡Por Dios, no! ¡Por Dios!
Filma. Deja chillar y filma. Ahora que están, o llaman a la policía.
What the fuck? Oh my god. No way. No way. No way. Come on. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Really?
You're in a roundabout, lady. Whoa, and they hit the curb? Does she need to? What are you doing? Like, you go! It's a roundabout!
Let's go!
No way.
What are you doing, man?
What are you doing slowing down? What the? Get out of here! Get out of here! My god, you stupid idiot!
They just do their thing. So anyways, I'll be North settling out.
Down because I want something that I can pee in by myself.
Oh my god, we almost got into an accident because somebody driving.
Oh my God!
You can watch the whole thing if you like. Just go to the Atlantis.
When the heavy boxes of documents finally arrived on his doorstep, Ackerby dug into what he hoped would be a treasure trove of information. Wow!
Calisse, esti! Pour vrai, là! C'est sa dashcam, le gros, man! Recule-toi! Ah ouais, recule! Ah ouais, Calisse d'épais!
Down this special report from CBS News special report. An Army sergeant opened fire at an Army installation in Georgia, shooting 5 of his comrades. Those 5, the Army says, are all in
What are you doing?
recovering. The gunman identified as...
It's wrong, man.
Bro, that's completely different. That right. Fucking stay on your side of the road.
Holy crap, that was close! Holy, that was close!
What the? Oh my God!
The lane begins to narrow, signs warn about merging ahead, traffic density, increases, the driver prepares, early signals turn on speed, adjusts carefully but pressure starts to build vehicles, behind move closer, headlights fill the mirrors. The space feels smaller. With every second the driver senses impatience, not spoken but felt, a gap appears ahead. It looks usable but not comfortable. Mind calculates quickly to quickly waiting, feels risky moving, feels forced. This is where many accidents are born now. Merge, begins steering. Turn slightly, confidence replaces caution, another vehicle accelerates, the gap collapses, there is no room left to correct, brakes are pressed. But timing has already failed, metal meets metal, not from aggression but from pressure. After the impact, traffic freezes. Step out slowly, faces filled with confusion and regret. Dashcam footage captures this hidden danger lane. Merging is not just about specific. It's about resisting pressure from horns, from close following, from the fear of being judged by other drivers. This accident did not happen because the driver ignored safety. It happened because safety felt rushed. The road rewards patience, not speed, not urgency. True control means being willing to wait even when others do not signal early. Maintain space and never let pressure decide for you, because on the road a forced decision is rarely a safe one.
God.
Gosh.
No blinker or anything. What the fuck are you doing? I'm about to go over to you. Now you shouldn't be scared.
Are you kidding me? What the?
Being a demon ghost. Just paranormal.
What the fuck?
Again, it really happened again, guys. I'm not talking about one spooky thing, and then they used something even spookier to describe the behavior, and then.
Put your hands up! Hands up! Open the door! Hands up! Open the door! Push it!
Yeah, everything. that he once considered private is now...
As the Horsemen like to say, magic is about controlling perception.